Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And we with Angel Wolf, aka Misty. So yeah, we're back with her. I'm sorry, I'm just setting to Black Wolf. I got the same thing. Guess what? What? Wait, am I forgetting something? Have I forgot something that she told me yesterday? What? I have a new dog. We got her yesterday. Oh, good. Oh, that's her name is Stony. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's the most cutest name ever. Oh my god, congratulations. Congratulations. Hey, Angel, congratulations. Oh, she's happy now, so. Oh, good. You happy now? You're happy now. Well, congratulations, Angel Wolf. Everyone put in the chat for her because she'd be watching this video. Put down saying congratulations. Everyone put in chat congratulations for Angel Wolf because she has a new dog. Well done, Angel Wolf. Congratulations, you have a new dog. She's a bulldog. Bulldogs. Well, my friend is a bulldog. My friend has a bulldog. That is BX Harper. And BX Harper is a YouTuber as well, but he doesn't post videos now. He deleted all his videos, just like Newcom Megan. She deleted her videos. Ba 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 ba. Video still going on? Yes. Yes, the video is still going on. Which will end the video. I might have to find out what your name is. Okay, follow. Okay, I'll follow you. I follow you. I follow you. I follow you. She's jumping like a ice. Oh, uh-oh. It's gonna kick her out. It's gonna kick her out. You watch. No, please, don't leave me. Angel Wolf, no. Oh my goodness me. Angel Wolf, please don't leave. Please do not get kicked out by the game. Like, I know your internet connection is probably a bit bad, but don't leave. Don't leave. Okay, she's doing fine. Oh, she wants a race. That's what she wants. Don't leave. Oh, no, it looked like the game's gonna bust her out the game. R.I.P. Where did her? Now I can't tell if he's alive. Can I piss off at Edge just to make sure that's actually her just stopped? Where is that? Nope. Something is wrong. You glitching. You glitching again? I can't move. You're glitching again. Oh no. The game is breaking her. Wait, can you jump out of the vehicle? Hold on. Can you jump? Can you jump out? I'm gonna do that too. Reset. It's the only option is to reset. Okay. Okay, let's just make sure she works. Okay, you should work. Yeah, there we go. See, genius. The guy who knows anything. More than you know. Tom. Hop in. Hop in. I'm going to show you. Oh my goodness me. Okay, it's fine. What the? I don't know what happened to my car. Oh, I don't want to run over you. I will show you this. You want to know what life is? You want to know what's life? Then get in the teleporter. Oh, I'm in the teleporter now, guys. We're here. We're here. Oh my god. Can she? Yes. You can. Oh my god, you can cheat. Yes. You can cheat everything in this game. It's not about life. I know, I written this. Let me read it out for you guys. Step 1. Be you. Enjoy the outdoors. Have a family, friends, pets, fans. Have a good time. Be nice to other people. No hating. Be in love. Sleep, eat, drink, enjoy life as you can. I've written that. I wrote that for like a year. What was that? It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. If you want, so guys, that's a tip about life. Wait, I'm gonna do like, so be careful. No! I killed her! And I killed myself. I killed myself, everyone. I killed Angel Wolf and myself. Oopsie. I think she's terrifying me now. She's like, you murdered me! I'm very sorry. I did not mean to kill you, Angel Wolf. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry. There's only 2 main wolves. And there's only like about 2 with dark names and 2 with bright names. First of all, Angel Wolf. That is a good. That is actually like the well. Let's say it's literally like it's very happy. Bright Wolf. That's happy. Now the dark ones. Nightmare Wolf. Dark. And let me tell you about her. Oh boy. We have to run. This what your house really look like? Ha! I wish. No. But I wish. But I wish. No. But I wish. And yeah, I do videos upstairs now. Funny enough. It's cool. Yeah, I really like the house. Oof. But anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. So if you go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead. And please do, everyone, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so guys, hit the bell icon and click the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Like the video, share it with your friends or family and stuff. Alright guys, Fox out.